Good morning. Today I want to tell you about my journal summary. It talk about improving performance criteria in a water resource system based on Fuji approach. Reliability, resilience, and vulnerability. It's called RRV. Have been widely used performance criteria for water supply system in the studies conducted over the last 3 decades. This study tries to modify the traditional method that usually apply to estimate this criteria by using fuzzy logic so that the performance criteria of point with threshold and intermediately value can be estimated that accurately. The traditional method or RRP fix of estimating discretion is based on fixed threshold value of to reception that functionally of the water supply system using a binary system to identify periods of system value to supply water equipment. The use of this binary system can be considered as the weakness of the evaluation system, especially when the portion of water that is fulfilled is caused to be threshold value. The study deploys a new method called RRV Fuji to improve the weakness of the traditional RRV fixed estimator system. This method is definitely as RRV Fuji performance criteria, which is built on the traditional RRV formula, with improvement made to this structure using Fuji membership function. The efficiency of the proposed method was verified through implementation into case study, including theoretical and real-world water basics. The comparison of the proposed RRV Fuji method and the traditional RRV fixed method confirmed the efficiency of the proposed method with respect to the improvement achieved in the relevant estimate, validating the new approach to be quite efficient, effective, and practical. One of the most important challenges facing water resource planning and management is develop relevant criteria and indices for assessing the health and performance of water resource system. On the other hand, preserving sustainable system is the main goal of integrated water resource management project in the world. Indicator of the most important component of sustainability analysis and should therefore be sufficiently approved for its case study. Similarly, the concept of sustainability was first introduced in the 1980s. Then Locks developed the Sustainability Index, which is a combination of general measure of reliability, resilience, and vulnerability, which was first introduced by Hashimoto. SE is the one of the most popular indicates for impressing the overall performance of the water supply which system which can be used to properly design and operate the system. Sustainability insights have recently been used to assess renewable energy and water food energy relationship. On the other hand, SE the SE concept is considered the most important indicator that helps science detect the uncertainty of system herbivore. The RRV creation is a risk-based measure that the widely used measure uncertainty in policy making evaluate the performance to natural water resource and artificial water supply system. Our Fuji approach can be used to assess the uncertainty in the system. The research show that Fuji performance research provide realistic estimates of reservoir operation policies. Other study on the use of the RRV concept can be found in this study attempt to compare the current probabilistic RRV method that use the fixed threshold and hence the name fixed RRV method with the purpose method using the membership function concept defined in a Fuji approach the estimate RRV, and hence in the name RRV Fuji the proposed method is to improve the traditional probabilistic RRV criteria, which differ from previous studies. One of the drawbacks of the traditional method is related to the threshold value, whose the focus may be interference with the process of disgusting system value state. This study proposed that the new Fuji approach to increase probability RRV estimation in the threshold value using RRV membership function whose internal parameters are determined to turn using the point of view of expert and or stakeholder. We examine the foremost well-known case of Fuji membership function and finally select the one that show the best performance. The results show that RRV Fuji outperform the traditional RRV fixed method in representing the performance of the water supply system. Fuji performance criteria were found to be able to identify the degrees of disability and thus the evaluation of the performance of the system. Near the threshold and intermediate condition, therefore, its method can be used in various studies to better plan and manage water resource system by taking into account the perspective on stakeholder and decision makers on failure case study. So thank you for listening. Goodbye. So thank you. That's all from me. Goodbye.